Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan Simone, if you don't know. If you do, hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach my knots on my wigs and how I customize the hairline for beginners. This hair is the loose, deep wave frontal in 24 inches from the company Ishowhair. The hair is super soft when I got it, and the lace isn't too thick, which I do like. We're going to see how it holds up with the bleach and how it does with plucking, if it sheds or not. So this is basically a 2-in-1, kind of like a tutorial and a review of the hair at the same time. So if y'all want to see what it comes out to look like, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so step one, what you want to do is you just want to take your wig with your T-pins and you want to flip the wig inside out. Alright guys, so the things you're going to need for your bleach process is whatever brand of bleach you use, and you want to get a mixing bowl, applicator brush, and just the basic things you see in every video. And you want to have your cream developer. You can use any developer level, like 30, 40. I think 40 is the strongest. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. But I use 30 because it's kind of in the middle. It's not too strong and it's not too weak. Sorry, my voice keeps changing. I'm walking around the room. I didn't feel like making a voiceover. So next thing you want to do is you want to get your bleach, and you don't need a lot of it at all, really, barely even a cupful, the one that comes in your powder, and you just want to put it in there like so. Then you want to take your cream developer, and I like to eyeball it. I do not do measurements, but the main thing is you don't want it to be too watery so that it seeps through the hair. So basically just pour it in little by little and just start mixing and see what the consistency looks like. Now that you have it the way you want it, make sure it's not runny or anything like that. Now you just want to apply it to the dome of your wig or wherever the lace starts. So this is so complicated, and I'm just going to start applying it onto the hair. Now with this, you don't want to press the bleach hard down into the hair. This was my fatal flaw. I always pressed the bleach too hard into the hair and ended up bleaching the actual hair. But the way I've been doing it recently, I haven't really been having any issues. But you know, you never know. I usually mess up on camera. Happens a lot, so. But we'll see. Alright guys, the wig is now freshly washed. So now it's on to the plucking process. So the first thing we're gonna do, what I like to do, this is basically the foolproof way to pluck your wigs. What you wanna do is you wanna take a row of hair that already looks pretty plucked. And you just want to section that out all around the hairline. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm only going to pluck this front section only a little bit, like not really at all. Just a few parts in there I'm going to pluck, and then I'm going to section this off and get to the back. I'm basically just going to grip it from the knot and start to pull outward. This is how I do it. People do it differently, but this is how I do it to make it look good for me. If you have a different way of doing it, then you can do that way. Either way, it works for it to come out good. Do what's most comfortable for you. But the method of pulling, I pull from the knot downward. Alright, now that that part is sectioned off, this is when I just start to freestyle the wig. So basically, I use the same method that I just told you guys. Oh my god, I keep kicking stuff. I use the same method that I just told you guys. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to do that around the head, but I'm not parting or sectioning off pieces. I'm just going to literally just start plucking the back. So I'm gonna turn it to the side so I can see it a little bit better. Alright guys, the good thing about this wig is that it was pretty pre-plucked and you really didn't have to do anything to it. This literally took like 10 minutes, not even, kinda, I don't know. It took about 10 minutes. We're just gonna touch up the front a little bit and see what it's looking like. And that barrier piece that I had braided off into a section was pretty much your safety guards, just in case you overpluck your wig. That's why I love to have that on there, because just in case you overpluck your wig, you're still fine because you have that extra layer in the front that will hide that. And that's why I pluck this part last, so I can see exactly what the hairline is looking like. Alright guys, now I'm going to finish up any things I see that I want to fix on this wig, anything with the hairline. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like when it's done. Again, this wig is from Ishowhair. And it was really nice quality. It's loose, deep wave frontal in 24 inches. And everything about this hair will be down below in the description box. To give this wig an overall review, I do like this hair a lot. The curls are nice. Again, I have to keep combing them out, so I'll show you guys when it's done. But the curls are nice. One thing I can say about this wig is that it had a little bit of a smell to it when I first got it. But of course, you just wash it and get that out. But that's pretty much the only thing I really had to say about this hair. Everything else about it was pretty much up to par. And it's really nice, really soft. So I do recommend. Let me know if y'all do buy it, what it looks like when you guys get it. I always love to see that to make sure, you know, company has consistency and everyone is receiving the same quality product. But you know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, so it did have a little bit of a smell to it, so you better make sure you wash that out. But I will let y'all know what it looks like when it's done, and I will see y'all then. Alright you guys, this is pretty much what the wig is looking like with the finished product. This is how I pluck my wigs. This wig is from Ishowhair. Everything about this wig will be down below in the description box. I did blow dry it out, so I will be making a video on how I install my wigs with this wig that I'm doing right now, so y'all can see exactly what it looks like. But since it's blow dried right now, I really don't want to mess with it. But that should be my next upload. So after this video, y'all will see how I install it, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all my social medias and Poshmark, because I will be selling wigs and clothes on there that I don't wear anymore or that I don't use. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.